welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another garment challenge with Heat Transfer Warehouse. So I did one of these a few months ago. I don't know if you remember, I did a tie-dye shirt with like a SpongeBob theme. And this time around they actually gave us a theme to go base off of. And as you could tell, the theme was Halloween, which is one of my favorite holidays. So not only did we have to do a shirt this time around, we also had to do a tote as well. So they gave us this plain black shirt right here, this long sleeve. And then we also had to do a tote, which is this one right here. So we had to do a Halloween theme on both of them. And then they gave us all this HTV to use. So it's pretty much all like Halloween themed, fall themed. And the rules were pretty simple. We didn't have to use every single HTV, but we did have to use a minimum of 3, which is exactly what I did. Usually with the stuff that I make it pretty girly. So I knew this time around I kind of wanted to venture off of that, do something a little bit like scarier since it's Halloween. So I went with this like horror theme for this shirt right here. You know, I had to bring the whole thing together with this necklace right here. So this is a shirt that I made. And then for the tote, I decided to keep it a little bit girly just because this was already horror themed. So I did this one right here that says spooky. And then for this tote right here, I used 4 HTVs. I used 2 Caesar glitters and then 2 Caesar easy weeds. So some glitter and some regular HTV. And then for my shirt, this one is the one that has a lot of like special HTVs. So we have glow in the dark, which is my absolute favorite HTV ever. Like the effect of this is just so bomb. And then we have a metallic one right here and then a holographic. So I'm actually glad that this one was included because there was no red included in all of our HTVs, and I had this graphic in mind, like I knew I wanted to do this, but there was no red, and obviously I wanted to include some like little like blood, you know, and I think the red might have been too like graphic. So I'm glad that this one is like red, but it has like a shift of like green and orange. So it's kind of like, it gives you like gooey vibes, like it's melting. It still looks like blood, but it still kind of looks like monsterish. So it's not as intense as like blood would be, you know. So I like how this one had like a shift to it and wasn't directly red, because if it was red, you know, I would have used it. It would have probably stood out more, but I like how it has a shift to it, you know. So if you're interested to learn how to make this shirt right here and slay all day and this Halloween tote right here, then let's get started.